Hi guys, my brother is the scribbler. I used to be one, but now I'm not. I'm a good girl now.
Andy? Andy? Did you scribble? Are you still the scribbler? Who is the scribbler now? Chase? Chase? Chase! Did you scribble? This is how the original scribbler draws now. And this is how the scribbler junior draws. Evidence. Chase! Are you the scribbler junior? Don't run away from me. Chase, did you draw on the couch?
Yeah.
Are you the scribbler?